Hey guys, I'm back again. Well, I decided to do another video after a very long time, and oh boy, did I lose track. I haven't done another video in a long time, and now I'm back again. And now we're playing The Wolf Among Us. This is a really good game. I saw Jacksepticeye and all the other YouTubers play it, so yeah. I decided to go play it too. So now, let's get into this. See, I actually started on this like. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. I actually started playing this game for a little bit, but I didn't play like that much. So, okay. Anyway, we're gonna start a new game. And we're gonna start with episode 1. Man, the loading times are ass, you know that? Okay, I get it.
Today again, if you missed it, a record for the date, hottest ever in June. 103 now. That humidity looks low, but remember, the hotter the air is, the more moisture it can hold. So 103 with 31% humidity is a lot more humid than
wow.
73 with.
The animation in this game looks really good. I can already tell this is gonna be a really good game, and a let's play. The Wolf Among Us. Okay, so we're arriving in a taxi. This guy looks serious. Shit. Okay, here we go. Tenement building, sometime after midnight. Can you give us a specific one? Hey, look, a frog.
Mr. Toad?
Oh, Toad, never mind.
Bigby! Listen, mate, I know I don't look human. It's a problem, I get it. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning.
No
need
you know what? No harm done.
Look, no harm done. I'll give you a pass, but listen. If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that.
You can't send me up to live with those animals.
Well, you kind of are one,
Know
so...
what I mean?
Go see a witch. Get a glamour.
Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the spout goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour?
What, does it cost millions, thousands, hundreds? Look, I don't make the rules, alright? Just cut me a break.
Sorry. I can't
My
give
back
you
is
free
killing
pass on
me.
this, Toad. My hands are tied.
Right.
There's too much at stake. Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again.
This guy...
Fuck you.
What the hell was that?
See? This is what I told you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there? Do something, Bigby. before he completely tears up the place.
Okay, so what have I walked
What
into?
am I walking into exactly?
Woodsman's on another bender. He's been going on like that for hours. Turn this place to dust if you let him. He's in a fucking rage.
Oh,
That's
shit.
He has to go.
Okay, I'm heading up.
Fine, I'm heading up. Get your glamour.
Man, this guy is serious. I wouldn't want to mess with this guy. Not the toad, the guy.
Furry pricked up shite. Tell me how to spend my money.
Dad, the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside.
Hey, don't yell at your kid, man.
You're gonna know who I fucking am, you hear me?
Whoa, what's going on here?
Look at me!
The...
Let's go.
What's this phone doing?
Take a good look. Know who I am now? Hey, look at me!
Hey, cool it in there.
God damn you! No.
Whoa!
Whoa, hey, hey!
You've got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid?
Oh, yeah, you must have hit her hard.
I'll fucking kill you!
Alright, why did you hit her?
All right, why'd you?
Fuck you too.
What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you
This
get
is your last warning.
Woody, this is your last warning. If you keep on like this, I won't have any choice but to put you down.
Put me down.
Yeah, put you down.
Shit fucking memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last time.
This isn't last time.
Yeah, you're talking about it. Oh, quick time events. Ow. Okay. R2. Whoa. Oh no. I'm not good at this. Not usually, but... Jeez, we stop swinging that thing around. R2.
Fucking glutton for punishment.
Fuck you.
No, fuck you. Go to bed. Oh. 3. Ow. Oh, come on, dick.
That whore's gonna watch me kill you.
Hey, watch it. You don't know who you're messing with, buddy. Alright, wait, up. There you go. Wait, you better calm the fuck down, alright? Now go read a book or something.
Back off, asshole.
Oh no. Give her the knee. The ears. Oh, not the ears, whatever. Oh no. I would not want to be in his position right now. Yeah, you should have thought about this when you wielded a fucking Woody axe around. And fuck you. Just stay down, bitch.
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting sick, bitch. I'll fucking put you in the ground.
Look, shut the hell up.
Oh, fucking shit. You bugged my jaw, you bastard.
Bad turn.
Will you talk?
Fuck you.
Shit.
I think you need to leave.
Alright, you need to go.
I can't go until this deadbeat pays me.
For what?
I let you slap me around for a while. You're lucky I'm not charging extra.
Yeah, you're
Look,
damn
this
right
is just
he's
the
lucky.
start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
What the
What
hell is
happened?
going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from, girlie.
Hey,
Get off.
are you hurt?
You all right?
I'm hunky-dory. Thanks for asking.
Why was he
Okay.
hitting you?
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
Wow.
Watchman, you whore. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch!
Hey.
Hey, what did I say? I said be nice, or you wait outside.
Come on!
Oh. Ouch. What happened? Well, it wrecked somebody's car.
Shit.
Oh, hey, Toad.
Hey, Toad.
My car.
Yeah. Give me a second.
Oh, no, by all means. Take your time. Make yourself comfortable.
How's your insurance?
So, how good is your insurance?
I can't be mad at you. I called you, and you come to help. I can't be mad. But even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started.
Well, at least I tried to resolve some things.
Well, at least you're not fucking dead.
Ah, no. How is he not dead? Hey, stop! Stop! Ah, shit, someone's calling me. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Come on. X, come on! Come on!
I know you're fucking in there. Come on out.
No, man. Okay, come on.
I'll put you out of your misery. You fucking mongrel. You ignorant fuck.
Come on! Nice! Thanks.
Thanks.
Don't mention it. I'm just getting what he owes me. You alright back there? I mean, your eyes and the teeth? You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Great.
The guy's got an axe in his brain. He's not feeling that.
It's more from me. He'll be fine.
I'll kill you
How in the fuck?
in bed.
Let me help you.
Okay,
He's had enough.
that's...
Fable. Son of a bitch can take plenty.
Ow. And now my stomach's rumbling. What the hell?
Just come on. Thanks.
I'm a nice guy.
Who do you work for, really?
These lips are sealed. Sorry.
Why?
Hey, you like my ribbon?
It's cool. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I can be nice to the ladies, unless they're naughty with me. Because in that case, they get their lights punched out.
Feel like we've met before.
Not me.
Probably have. We all sort of knew each other at one point or another. But things change, I guess.
Too true. Okay, what the fuck?
Stop. We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
Are you sure?
Sure?
He's had enough. For tonight, at least. Wouldn't be surprised if he has an axe to grind, though. That wasn't intentional. Sorry.
Nah, that's okay. That's fine.
How much was it he owed you?
100.
Wow, and he only had coins?
For you to show up empty-handed.
I'll be fine.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna give her some money.